You've got mail.
If you ever said, "Get off the phone, I'm trying to get online," congratulations, you survived dial-up. And now the internet has evolved into this, ChatGPT. No, it's not a band name or a TikTok dance. It's an AI, a really smart assistant who lives in your browser, never sleeps, and won't ask you to reset your router. You can use it to ask questions, write emails, summarize news, fix your grammar. Honestly, it's like Ask Jeeves if you went to grad school. And no, you don't need to learn code, or buy a ring light, or be under the age of 40. If you can type, you can prompt. Okay, prompting. Sounds like something a VHS training tape would teach. But really, it just means type in what you want clearly and politely. You're not bossing it around, you're just nudging it with purpose. I like to think of it like a sandwich, 3 parts. Top bun is your context. I'm a retired teacher planning a trip to Italy. The meat is what you want. Can you suggest a relaxed 7-day itinerary? Bottom bun are your preferences. I hate crowds, I love coffee, and my knees are not what they used to be. You don't need to be poetic, you just need to be specific. Here are a few prompts that I use constantly. Give me 5 easy dinner ideas I can make in under 30 minutes with ingredients I probably already have. Explain how to use Instagram like I've never used it before and I'm very confused. Use simple steps. I want to understand cryptocurrency, but I have no idea where to start. Explain it like I am new to the internet. Give me a weekly schedule template for someone retired but still wants structure. Include hobbies, walks, and time for grandkids. What are some sneaky ways to save money around the house without making me feel like a cheapskate? Here are some final words of encouragement. You can't break it. You don't sound silly. You don't need to know the lingo. And no, ChatGPT is not judging you. You're just talking to a glorified typewriter that knows too much. What not to do? Don't just type help or fix my life. I tried, it doesn't work. Be clear, be real, and don't worry too much about punctuation. And it's okay to ask again. If the answer is weird or too long, just say try again but shorter, or rewrite that with more personality. If you survived Y2K, backed up your files on a floppy disk just in case, and still don't fully trust the cloud, congratulations, you are absolutely qualified to use AI. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I promise, no jargon and no pressure. I'm Kathy, and this was Prompting for People Who Remember Dial-Up. Now, go try a prompt before the robots take over or someone asks you to update Java.